1 year, I agree, because we are no longer at the building anymore. Okay.
Yep.
So, Mr. Amin, number one is we only want you to provide us a letter, which is we can tarik or we can ambil your like not to dismantling all the 8th floor ya, no. Bukan untuk, okay, I use bahasa, bukan untuk ambil rusak keramik or whatever, because we will leave it like that. But you see your aircon, because the aircon, there is an outdoor at the 8th floor.
Yep.
Up, you know, right? We put the outdoor on top of our roof. So I have to leave the building with the good performance with our company. Okay, you understand? So maybe you just prepare a letter on behalf of Consulate of Singapore that we will take down your aircon. That's all.
Ibu Christine, sorry, can you accept Widya into
Widya already here.
Widya, are you here?
Yeah, but no video, Pak. It's okay, it's
okay. Yeah, sorry. Because I didn't say first. Okay.
Jadi maybe I use bahasa Indonesia ya, Mbak Widya. Jadi gini, kita itu cuman perlu bukan rusakin, bikin hancur lantai 8. No. Karena lantai 8 harus as it is, kita will leave it like that, okay? But itu kan kan ada pasang kayak AC kaset, AC itu kan ada outdoornya di roof ya. Itu kan harus dikosongin. That's why saya minta, karena kan kita udah nggak di gedung itu lagi. Jadi saya minta untuk kasih surat on behalf of Konsulat Singapura supaya kita bisa ambil itu. Kan kita udah masuk rumah orang lain ya. Maksudnya kan kita udah selesai di situ, but kita harus permisi ya dengan mereka bahwa kita mau ambil itu. That's all. So, itu. Jadi bukan untuk hancurin, no. Because itu harus leave it like that as our contract with you, Pak Amin. That's all.
Understood.
Jadi why are you submitting? Because maybe in email I cannot explain like that. Okay, so kita lebih enak or lebih happy to meet you with the submitting. That's all. Okay.
Sure. All right. Okay. Just wanted to inform you also. Okay, now I understand. I think the reason why is because I think previously Pak Rudy and team didn't explain to us clearly. On this. They just say, prepare a letter so that we can decide. I said, I thought the request came from you all because you all told us that we cannot tear down because you all don't have the drawings and whatsoever. Yeah.
Correct,
so now that we understand, so we actually see where it's coming from. The second thing I wanted to raise, because this is actually public money and public funds that we got to refund back. So the Singapore government is actually very strict and tedious about public funds. So that is the reason why we had to keep chasing for we had to send reminders and keep chasing for our deposits to be returned to us.
Understand.
Because all this have to be accounted by our HQ, and there are due processes that needs to be followed through. If it's my money, I'll say, Nama Ibu Christine, you take your time.
No. It's okay. For me, I'm very, I'm understandable, Pak Amin, about that. This is your task. You have to send me email. That's why you see my email reply only thank you. That's why I have to explain you in the Zoom meeting. Better to use Zoom meeting so we get the clear understanding about this. Okay. So number one about the letter, you agree ya?
Okay.
Because kita harus masuk rumah orang, we have to bring the letter on behalf of Consulate Singapore to take out which is apa yang bisa kita take out, yang bukan rusakin ya. We are not to tear down all the what is that, the door or the ceramic or the steel. No. Not about that. Okay.
Okay. Sure.
Number two is the deposit. Of course, Pak Amin, we're not hold your deposit, but for your info, we're still waiting for the 20 billion of the outstanding for BP Batam and PEMCO to us. Okay, but we are not trying to get first their money, they outstanding to us, then we pay you. That's why with the Zoom meeting, I need your understand with us. So we will install your the deposit. If you know, ABS we already give the back all the deposit to ABS 7th floor. You know ABS in 7th floor already they already moved also. Okay. So we already discussed between the management, because we're still waiting 2 years. The pandemic COVID make us like very suffer, Pak Amin, yeah, with our business as well. Okay.
Okay.
So we need to install your deposit. Maybe Alfie, kamu bisa kasih tahu nggak berapa kali you mau install the deposit starting with this July? Okay. I know this is the government money, Pak. I mean, we are not trying to hold your deposit. Okay.
That is the scary thing, because now if we want to do installment, I am afraid our HQ might say no.
Okay.
And they might also want to consult the Attorneys General Chamber, means the one in charge of the lawyers, basically.
Okay.
And also to seek their legal advice. So there will be a lot of implication when this comes through.
Okay, Pak Amin, let me explain about this. Pak Amin, Consulate Singapore not only 1 or 2 years in our building.
I know.
Sometimes, even we flashback I use bahasa. Sometimes you also ask me, maybe it's not you, but before maybe Widya juga tahu ya. Pada saat you waktu itu terlambat bayar listrik, you ask me to waive the fine, then I try my best to waive the fine.
Sorry ya Ibu, kita nggak pernah ini loh, nggak pernah telat bayar listrik, nggak pernah itu, bukan konsulat mungkin.
Itu
tahun berapa ya?
Waktu zamannya Pak Vijay pernah, Mbak Widya pernah.
Oh, saya nggak tahu ya. Kalau saya mulai dari 2013 saya join sampai sekarang nggak pernah.
Ya, you bisa ask. I'm not trying to make a story ya. No, jadi saya mau bilang ke sini, memang 2 tahun pandemik ini kan kita susah ya. Dan kita memang ada, I'm not trying to open our matters with the BP Batam or Pemko Batam, because they still have an outstanding with us about 20 billion. It's very a big amount for us, still, but kita nggak tunggu itu untuk bayar you punya deposit, no, but kita cuma minta kita bisa install your deposit kan about 400 something ya. Alfie berapa ya? 400 berapa ya?
Nearly 500 juta.
500,
nearly.
49 if I'm not wrong ya.
493 something. Yep.
So, jadi kita cuma minta, because of the pandemic 2 years, our situation is very bad, Pak Amin, dan we still waiting for the money from the BP dan Pemko Batam. They still owe our company is about 20 billion. 20 billion is very big amount for us.
So this installment, how often are we looking at? How much are we looking at?
Berapa
kali? So 2 times?
4 kali, 4 times.
So July, August, September, October ya?
Iya, July. Sorry.
Oh no.
Coba kemarin you udah bikin calculation about our cash flow. We are very bad cash flow, Pak Amin ya. So that's why I asked for the installment. Alfie, you mention aja.
In July, September, November, and December.
July, September. Okay, tell you what, in that case, is it possible if you do a letter, state the month and also the amount, I will help you try to negotiate with our HQ.
Okay, no problem. Alfie will send you the letter with the exact every tanggal 15 ya, you make the payment. So every 15 of July, then apa tadi, Alfie?
September.
Nah, so
November and December.
Okay. You just say send in email, Alfie, 15 July how much, bagi 4 ya, you install 4 times, so you
maybe a letter from your company will also be good, so that we can also officially get it from pass it to our HQ, then we'll see how we can meet halfway, because we also had good relation, so we also want to see how best we can accommodate.
2 years for COVID, very bad for us. Okay.
You can put that reason inside. I think I will flag up to them, but no promise. I will flag out to them, but no promise. Okay.
I know you will help me. Okay. Okay. That's all, Pak Amin. I think this is the 2 issue. Number 1, please provide us with the letter, because kita kan udah bukan orang di situ, so we need to bring your letter on behalf of Consulate Singapore. This is the blah blah blah. At least we give the letter to the landlord. That's
okay. Sure.
Okay.
All right. Can. Okay. Thank you.
Okay,
Yeah.
Pak
Anything
Amin.
else, we will call or we will text you.
Sure, you know my phone number, right? You never
Yes, I
chat
do.
me, ah.
Yeah. You take care over there.
Okay, thank you, Pak
Okay,
Amin.
okay, bye.
Bye.
Thank you, CJ. So tomorrow I will not. Okay.